Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie, where we fix your gaming and PC issues step by step. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Battlefield 6 controller not working on PC. Step 1. Check Human Interface Devices in Device Manager. Start by right-clicking on your Start menu and selecting Device Manager. Once it opens, scroll down and expand Human Interface Devices. Now, look through the list for any devices that might be acting as a controller. If you see entries related to special keyboards or gaming mice, such as Keychron, Razer Huntsman, or other external input devices, right-click and choose Disable. Don't worry, this is temporary. You can enable them again after you're done playing. Then, launch Battlefield 6 and check if your controller is now recognized. Step 2. Disconnect extra peripherals and USB devices. Next, unplug any external keyboards, mice, or USB adapters that you're not using. If you have devices like Keychron, Razer Tartarus, flight simulator controls, steering wheels, pedals, or arcade sticks, disconnect them as well. Also, remove any USB dongles or adapters, such as Bluetooth receivers or wireless mouse connectors. Sometimes, even a USB flash drive or external monitor adapter can cause interference. If you have multiple controllers connected, unplug the extras and leave only one active controller. Once everything unnecessary is disconnected, restart Battlefield 6 and see if the controller works properly. Step 3. Disable virtual controllers or joys ministering software. If you have virtual controller software installed, such as VJoy or any virtual joystick emulator, close it completely or uninstall it. These programs can interfere with Battlefield 6 and prevent your real controller from being detected. After disabling or removing them, relaunch the game and test the controller again. Step 4. For Steam users, disable or enable Steam input. If you're playing Battlefield 6 through Steam, try changing the Steam input setting. Here's how. In Steam, right-click Battlefield 6 and choose Properties. Go to the Controller tab. From the drop-down menu, select Disable Steam Input. Relaunch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, go back and enable Steam Input again. Try both options one by one to see which setting works best for your controller. Step 5. For non-Steam users, add Battlefield 6 to Steam. If you don't own the game on Steam, you can still use Steam's controller support by adding it as a non-Steam game. Here's what to do. Open Steam and click Add a Game at the bottom left. Select Add a non-Steam game. Click Browse and navigate to your Battlefield 6 installation folder. Select the game's .exe file, click Open, then Add Selected Programs. Once added, launch Battlefield 6 directly from Steam and test the controller. Step 6. Add the EA app to Steam. If the previous step didn't work, try adding the EA desktop app itself to Steam. Here's how. In Steam, click Add a Game and then Add a non-Steam game. Click Browse and go to your C drive, Program Files, Electronic Arts, EA Desktop. Select eadesktop.exe and click Open, then Add Selected Programs. Once it's added, launch the EA app through Steam, then start Battlefield 6 from there. This can help Steam properly detect your controller through its overlay system. Step 7. Launch Steam in Big Picture mode. If you're using Steam, click the Big Picture mode icon in the top right corner of the Steam window. Once you're in Big Picture mode, navigate to your game library, select Battlefield 6, and launch it from there. Big Picture mode is designed to handle controller inputs more efficiently and often resolves detection issues automatically. Step 8. Update your controller firmware. If your controller is still not working, make sure its firmware is up to date. For Xbox controllers, open the Microsoft Store and download the Xbox Accessories app. Launch it and connect your controller using a USB cable, not Bluetooth. Once it's detected, click the three-dot icon, then choose Update. Let the update complete, then restart your PC and relaunch the game. For PlayStation controllers, visit the official PlayStation website and download the PlayStation Accessories app for Windows. Install and open it. Connect your controller using a USB cable. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Once updated, restart Battlefield 6 and check if your controller is working again. Step 9. Use a wired connection. If you're using a wireless controller and it's still unresponsive, try connecting it directly to your PC with a USB cable. Wireless signals can sometimes fail to sync correctly, especially during game updates or high CPU load. Using a wired connection provides a stable, guaranteed signal between your controller and the game. Conclusion. And that's it. One of these steps should fix your Battlefield 6 controller issue on PC.